Hi, Vidi. Welcome back to Time Predicts White Magic Spells. And let's see what are the messages. I also feel some good news coming your way, though I feel yours is next 16 hours to 18 hours is the time frame that I get. And let's see what's coming your way. I think some of you needed it, all of you needed it. But what is the good news? Look at this, a balance in the relationship. This flew out of my hand in front of you, okay? Balance in a relationship, wanting to receive the love, the kind of love that you've been giving, you want to receive the same kind of love. You want the scales to be balanced, okay? You could be, I don't know why I want to say you could be a water sign, okay? You could be a water sign. Though this is pentacles, but I definitely feel earth sign could be dealing with a water sign and water sign could be dealing with an earth sign. Water is also it's all about emotions. It's about how I feel, like swords is how my thinking, I'm thinking. So pentacles is like, what I want to do, it's what I value. It's about the value you have for things or for people in life. And I definitely feel this is receiving, okay? This is also receiving good news. Like, remember I said receiving, so this is receiving good news. This is also somebody is being very generous or with their words or with their feelings, like saying a lot of things and opening up, or maybe the communication, they're going to be very generous with that. And the other word is abundance. So definitely we start with something good. We start with Libra energy, the scales, being in a balance, okay? That is like both equally putting in as much hard work. And if you've been just giving in the relationship, this is somebody who's just going to now like feel like that you've been doing all the work, and they realize that they also have to do something about it, and that's the action they're going to take. And it's about receiving, like you saw the coins falling in the hand. So you're going to receive a lot, and you're going to receive a lot of good news. Look at this, Ace of Wands. I told you it's all about good news today. A new beginning, receiving good things, passion. They're going to tell you that they really are attracted to you, they really are in love with you, they really are fond of you, they really like this connection, and they want this connection to become something else. Or maybe you've just started seeing each other and it's moving towards being serious. But this is definitely good news. This could also be reunion for a lot of you. This is fire. The attraction is coming to me, the kind of attraction and the love, the bond that you wanted from the person. It is finally that, and they are lovingly giving you that. You do not have to initiate conversations, you do not have to poke them or push them to respond to something. It's like on their own they will be responding. And with Ace of Wands, it's like a new beginning. So you've got earth and you've got fire. And look at this, you've got pentacles again, lots of value, number 10. You could be seeing 1010 recently, and 10 is also all about value, family, stability, a beautiful relationship, a relationship that you want to be in, forever. It's like a forever also. It's about a home. It's a strong foundation, deep roots. This is connected, soul level connection. So yeah, they're going to tell you that they really love you, and they want to take this. This is commitment. They want to commit, or they're being very generous with words, and they'll make you feel good. That you'll know your worth. Like you know your worth already, but what's your worth in their eyes or in their heart. What do they feel about you? You've got King of Wands. So somebody really looking at you, towards you, wanting to be with you. So they're thinking about you and taking steps, what to do, next steps. So this is also action and movement. The person is planning what next, in the relationship, which is important. I told you Wheel of Fortune, another number 10. So 1010, I told you 1010 you would be seeing, and you've got two tens here. Even one is important. You could be January born, you could be October born, but Wheel of Fortune always transforms things. It suddenly changes situation. Like if you've been thinking you've been just giving, 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 there's no receiving. The good news is that abundance, the whole situation is going to flip. You know how I always say what goes up also comes down. So what is down is not that it will not come up in that wheel. And if you've been really feeling down, if you think things are not working or good things are not coming towards you, it's all going to change. Things are going to change. Good news is coming towards you. I saw the magician while shuffling in front. Look at this, guys. What did I say? I saw the magician while shuffling in front of you. This is magician. This is number one. First January is going to be very important. Tomorrow is going to be very important. The next day, whenever you're listening to this, the next day, I saw 444 on the counter, and it is about stability. You've got everything you can make you have everything. What is needed to make the relationship work. Look at this, guys. It looks so abundant, around the magician. It is you. You've manifested things. You've manifested the kind of love you wanted, the kind of relationship you wanted. If you wanted a reunion, if you wanted a call, you've manifested it all. Not bad. There's always a rhyme in my videos. And I told you, manifestation, this is number 4. 4 of swords, communication. You've been praying for certain things, in your love life, to make it better, or if you wanted to meet the right person, or you wanted things to change, or happiness to be there, or you wanted them to, give you more attention or give you more time. You've manifested it all. I think last 4 days you were manifesting really hard, and I feel December is going to end on a really good high note, and January is going to be very, very beautiful. And you guys are working towards it. So there's happiness and there's work. There's work. You're working towards it. And now it's 555. Yeah, the key to happiness. This looks like a key, though it's pentacles, redecorating, reunion, mending, making the relationship more beautiful. Um, Meeting people, dating, meeting people, going out, parties, all's coming to you. Situations changing suddenly. Yeah, you've been broken hearted. If you've been broken hearted, if you've been feeling very lonely, if you've been feeling sad, if you've been crying, there's a change in the situation. If there was a, for some of you or one of you, if you wanted to know this, if there's a third party, you'll get to know, or they'll tell you that there's no third party anymore. You're the one. You're not an option, but you are the one. If you wanted this message, especially this is for you, for whoever wanted to hear it. Yeah, look at this. Speedily things are going to change. How fast? Swords. So when you get swords in time frames means very fast. They're not going to wait. Things are going to change. The good news is going to come soon to you. The past coming back, like the reunion, and here you have the universe. There's a reunion, there's universe, there's good news. You're going to feel, the relationship is going to feel beautiful the way it all started. You're going to feel, wow, it's gone back to the same way. In between, things could have gotten messed up, but it is all going to be fine. You've got the universe rooting for you and doing things for you, balancing things, filling up emotions, filling their heart with emotions. Okay, filling their heart with emotions. So there is emotions, in their heart for you, and they can emote and tell you how they feel about you. And look at the roots. I spoke about the roots. It's like, almost putting water in the roots, like branching out. Imagine if it was a tree. Everything is joining here. This water also flows towards here, so you belong together. Both the water, both the water that universe, the star card has, is pouring. It's like in a pool, collecting, receiving. You're going to receive abundance from, as in, messages, calls, love, commitment, feeling, togetherness, building a home together. Talking about the future, how exciting is this? What did I say? Reunion. The good news is reunion also for some of you. If you have been waiting for this news, it's reunion. You've got flowers. Somebody's going to give you a bouquet. Maybe your birthday is coming, and they always given you a bouquet. So you like pink flowers. Maybe I'm wearing pink by chance. Communication. So communication, abundance also coming. Yeah, the stars, everything, all the spirit guides and the cards, and my intuition is also saying the same thing. Unexpected. You've got the wheel of fortune, and I use the word unexpected. I recorded the other channels video before. I had some work. I had to go for a meeting, and after the meeting I'm doing this. So that's unexpected, I wrote, and this is also unexpected. You've got the butterfly, the change. You've got so many changes, big shifts. Good news would come in form of not small changes that, okay, they send a one message after a few days and you're very happy. I mean, it's going to be totally different. The flow of messages, consistency in messages, all is going to be different. You've got the butterfly. I got the word chirp. Okay, hope never dies. This is beautiful. Hope keeps the light on, light shining in your heart, and things going, you go, waiting for them. Hope doesn't mean keep waiting for them for years and years. It means that, yeah, you know things shining. There's hope. Mermaid, number 22. See, you've got two 22s also here. So the hope, the mermaid, waiting, looking beautiful, a good energy, a good vibe, knowing that good things are going to be on its way. Communication soon. Look at this, guys. So these were your messages. Expect good news, lot of good news, and I'll be back again with another reading. Bye, guys.